Hi everybody. Hi everybody. My name is Omar Muhammad Saleh. I am from Iraqi Kurdistan. I work at Doak Polytechnic University, Department of Information Technology. My research title is VANET Simulators, an Overview and Comparative Analysis. The research subject, firstly, abstract, second, introduction, third, related work, fourth, type of VANET simulators, fifth, popular VANET simulation tools, the sixth, key features of VANET simulators, seventh, evaluation metrics for VANET simulators, eighth, challenges, conclusions in VANET simulation. The ninth and last subject is conclusion. Intelligent transportation systems utilize vehicular ad hoc networks, VANETs, for real-time data exchange, route safety enhancement, and coordinate operation of connected and autonomous vehicles. The high mobility, frequent topology changes, and heterogeneous communication modes in VANETs necessitated advanced simulation environments for robust development, testing, and performance evaluation. This study reviews approximately 70 recent scholarly works to comparatively analyze 5 prominent VANET simulators: SOMO, Omnet++, NS3, VINS, and MATLAB-based platforms, assessing architecture, protocol support, scalability, and mobility integration. It identifies each tool's strengths, limitation, and appropriate use cases ranging from traffic modeling to network and cross-layer evaluation. The 3 key open challenges are highlighted: interoperability, more realistic mobility modeling, and AI enabling hybrid simulating, and the findings are intended to guide the design of more realistic flexibility and better integrated VANET frameworks. Introduction. Vehicle ad hoc networks is the challenging and self-organized distributed communication network that is fundamentally established by moving vehicles, each of which serve as a dynamic node characterized by variable speed and fluctuating traffic dynamics. This network plays a crucial and pivotal role as a key component of intelligent transportation system, enabling robust communications not only between vehicles but also between vehicles and various infrastructure components such as traffic signals and road signs. Intelligent transportation system delineate a range of services that enhance vehicular communication, such as a cooperative awareness service that promotes mutual knowledge among vehicles, and an environmental notification service that provides critical alerts about road conditions and hazards. The related works existing VANET simulator have been widely utilized and cited in academic research, reflecting their importance in modeling vehicular communication systems. Each simulator varies in design focus, capabilities, and research adoption, which is often indicated by its citation counts. Figure 1 illustrates the number of citations, which serves as a useful metric to assess the popularity, credibility, and overall impact within the VANET research community. Type of VANET simulator, the research objective, mobility, optimization, communication, performance, or cooperative system testing, and often involves multi-tool integration to achieve high fidelity and realism in VANET studies. A. Microscopic simulators. B. Hybrid simulators. The popular VANET simulation tools in recent years, SOMO has been one of the most prominent microscopic urban mobility frameworks available, evidencing considerable interest within the research community and providing vital resources. Over the latest decade, the demand for accurate, realistic, and scalable multi-hop VANET simulators has scaled concomitantly with an increase in relevant applications proposal. Although numerous realistic tools exist, no single simulation tool satisfies all requirements. A. Accelerated SOMO. B. Network simulation or NS3. C. OMNET++ simulation tools. Major VINS system. The important features, VANET simulation tools. The popular VANET simulation tools, as you can see in the table 1, is a component comparative table illustrate each tool. It's typically ruled in VANET work. Key features of VANET simulator. VANET ad hoc networks simulators serve as a sophisticated software environment specifically designed for the thorough assessment and in-depth analysis of various VANET protocols and different scenarios. These simulators typically offer a diverse range of features that are essential for accurately modeling a broad spectrum of potential VANET deployments. This section delineates several key features commonly exhibited by a typical VANET simulator. However, the precise set of features offered by each individual VANET simulator is compared in greater detail in section 6. Understanding this feature is crucial for researchers and developers aiming to effectively simulate and evaluate network behaviors and vehicular interaction within the VANET framework. Therefore, comparisons are typically performed under time-constrained environments that limit packet loss events with an opportunity for more sophisticated radio propagation model not reflected in the simulation environment. A. Realistic traffic modeling. B. Network protocol simulation. C. Communication models. The evaluation of metrics for VANET simulation, whether the model support high model densities and the specific mobility model that are implemented, A. Throughput, latency, packet delivery, ration, and scalability. As you can see in this table illustrates the main challenge in VANET simulation with short descriptions, their impact on VANET studies, and representative references from the literature. And in the end, I will thanks for your patience for listening my presentation. Thank you very much.